In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet for project management. We'll walk through setting up a new project using one of Smartsheet's built-in templates. This is a great way to get started quickly, especially if you're new to the tool or you don't want to build a project plan completely from scratch. First, open Smartsheet and look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel, and near the top there's a plus sign. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. This is where you create new items in Smartsheet, like sheets, reports, and dashboards, and it's also where you'll access templates. After you click the plus sign, a creation window will appear. Here, you should see an option that says View All Templates. Click on View All Templates. This takes you into the template gallery, which is a library of pre-built solutions for different use cases, including project management, marketing, IT, and more. Once the template gallery opens, look for the search bar, usually at the top of the gallery. Click into the search bar and type Project Management, then press Enter. Smartsheet will filter the gallery and show you all templates related to project management. This is helpful because you don't have to scroll through everything. You can jump straight to what you need. Now, you'll see a list of project management templates. Take a moment to scan through the options. You might see simple project trackers, more advanced project management office templates, or specialized ones like IT project plans. Choose the template that best matches the complexity and style of your project. When you've found one that looks right, click on that template to open its details. On the template details page, you'll see a description of what the template includes and how it's designed to be used. If it looks like a good fit, click the button that says Create from Template. This will copy that template into your own Smartsheet environment so you can customize it for your project. After clicking Create from Template, Smartsheet will guide you through a few on-screen prompts. Follow these prompts carefully. You'll typically be asked to name your new sheet or project, choose where to save it, and sometimes confirm related items like reports or dashboards if the template includes them. Once you finish the prompts, your new project sheet will open, ready for you to edit tasks, dates, owners, and other details to match your real project. And that's how you quickly set up a project in Smartsheet using a project management template.